Yes, out of for Express GHTV so any. What do you lucky and I win me a dear semester and your first time now we are subscribing to this YouTube channel. Message or pass over subscribing notification bell on November. What do we sound about so edgy? I'm not never woman update to be also one side day. I can so better what in the form of so better than so ya dear here papa. Minya menasi na yenko yen seminal and swing. Express GATV they say ye di ashiem say dia seminal. The edit canoe and a bob one of a fefe ne the abesomo a WhatsApp platform we eso. Mammy delay, yes, there are friend poor man so about what Yabe can send be nan 7 muno and a munia de tell matter come so about can send be 7 years as some a woman who be here say because matter come so apa. Na and no and a bulldog that be ye bulldog fatcha me. And on a bullet, yes, bullet. I dream bonia. Owo edema eye eboni abusuan so ye ba betwetwe ho enkomo tabkuchu ichiremu no e na obema wanya ho entiase Mami Dolores friend Paul Manson eye delay Ghana na ye frɛ no na mami ba be kan sem bi ni nyina ne sɛ wo kwa aware ye se ye frɛ bibi sɛ kawa yes ye fan show na no ochiremu o se dabi married men should be provided with uniform. The ring is not enough because washa omo aware omo propose to no kra nya de kuma iti san crofo no se be ring ne nko anye enough na mum e wo so omo show matare e ka no bi say true or false e no na dojori so e chiri mo se de bema dwamanfo de opekra fa monitor bo ne 9 plus the ring and the uniform, he will still find a way to look like he's unmarried. What he has said, Bema Dramanfo, then I'll be no, the obey ni biano, be Brandon who's so married. And now Kofi Papa say, men don't need to look like unmarried or don't, cause most of these young girls, even like the married men, trust me, 80 your girls ni biwa wa crown or peono. What they worry no. What they why just say me them that be we are responsible and can't be worry. Now come to worry obi baba. It's wokra no mo pure what you say it. Massa, omo pie omo worry no crappy breed. Minia, the tell say Martha Nkoma one of the best Ghanaian actress. Wababa kan di enti ama o man Ghana mu ha ye bre na wo kan no generalizing no edify the whole Africa 54 country. One na kwa fa so kan nsem minia and we may say Express GATV many viewers local kuti na ba because ne sem no nyansase wo ma betimi nya bia dia to yokoto dwanim na yentie ababawa Martha Nkoma so emre.
Africans' problem is actually leadership, not just politicians in Ghana, but the whole of Africa problem. No, your problem is leadership. Because sebi say Dubai, me you Dubai bio. Say Dubai etu oil pe. Na se odiesie kro no. Na Ghana Nyankopon Israel ma me nim ne Nyankopon fando mo Ghana na se po asan so kra ma oil aka ho na odwen ho a e eni se broni kra be ma bibini bi eska serious se odwen ho a ha adwen Dubai ade owa ne oil oni timber oni cocoa ondua mango po oni krom but mobo say bibia wo krom he bia ye dua e ma to the extent po say ye woda ye wo season sa mango short. You season say in toast boy ding. You see a bro wire ding. You weather, you good weather. Ghana will good weather to the extent po say corona buy a crap no. Na e bronia dream po say ye be wu more but Nyankopon ama boni anka e bibi mine. E say bibi e wo asase so bia Nyankopon de dom ye. Your problem ye leadership. Na se mpenifo no benya adwen ni odo. E de asesa o mine na e be ye. Se wo TV8 mu na ye kwoto aba ba ko chenkokọ any ponchi ni bicycle na sebi nkwalati school duase eti duase ko school die ye bibi na dachu ni hwa ye si MP way owo no oye adwuma wow oye kwan wow enye MP a kankwale gusu ti duase dimpa bible say yesin ahonya
mata akasa nti se
mata akasa no krepa any say we ya papa na wo fie na sa ho kire ba se ne Ghana ka ye ho kire yi we ya papa na sa ka wonum bie club bie ni ade a because of ho kire nti sa club bie ne wonum biem eno ene di adanse sa ho kire ba ti se kwada no so no mu ko school na mo mu 2 cedis afi na mo mu 150 pesos o meti ase se ho kire aba na so ye panifo ne de omo se ho kire ho na so ade omo de omo ye no omo eye na mo ho omo ye ne bebre na omusu akire yese ya ahokyeraba enya hwe otwedi apobasa yadom ebedi yasem no so amaye Minia Express yen kan bi hye mi na sofu bi ko gina no pulpit anim na nsem bi a woka edi afa bullet adwene po awo ewo the late Ebony otwedi aponyankopon efa ne kra ensi ye na busua eye ni nua be ma ne papa ne maame ne ni nua ba no ho no menua eye nsem a eye violence ehu behia se ye beda na ji ama nipa nyina hu na ye wi a ba bi e wo se mra ne de sa no ma we nyina akoto no se benyam na mefo so sa mra ne mum mra na nkasa so se ebe na dwuma aye na dwuma ti de yekọ ne goti ekwan asofo no so fa so president sa de no so e de ma ayen
Ebony, yeah, we now said to you. I am the manager. Now your friend of bulletin. Or the Ebony man. Or the Ebony mammy. Any papa, any Ebony near Bema. Sorry, Pammy and son. Or money a bullet local people. Now they don't look people to United States. Omo be kwa ko pre Ebony ejapadi ne bullet na say Ebony maame ne papa ani ni abema na ye very careful and I'm saying apadi apepere ne so Ebony ni abema ne fi obewu de tia me ka say nyina na say our friend wo do we and Ghana for ka celebrate. And one somebody a before. If you see what done August, if you see what done nominato, if you see what quality to grow, if you see anything ever in your beauty, if you was to say, on one castle, one lesbian, Jelio, and Tina, Nami Akuno. But so, I am you. Thank you. Believe I am serving one. You don't serve bullet. You don't serve the medical. The medical manager only you. And by your man, Johnny China, and then she come out bullet to do go to room. That I will pronounce can come out. I don't think any simple the or I said, that's so will see different girl. No, I just have one. Or so about it. But I don't know where you are. You must send a nest out here. The first professor.
Na Ebony kura no so step 7 produce a japade ben and Ebony sutimi ya ye kopre ho ama nipa bia wu ni ade na Ghana no bo nipa kura na wusuro sabi bullet boa Ebony e ma ne by to the sense of standing na bibisa akoto no and hwede sofo no so eka se bullet utie mi a ana se wo hwe mi a wate de waka ene Ghana mra no eye adwuma ene de wudi agro a mra no ne ubedi enti se wate na se wo so betima aka ho bia ye de pa no no na enso enya bia ye den aka wo be subscribe ya like ya share comment to your YouTube post